What's up, everybody? So today we're going to be working on this 2014 Chevy Impala, and as you guys can see here, the wheels are just the factory silver color, and the person who brought this car over wants me to dip the wheels, so I figured we'll go ahead and make a video about it and show you guys everything that I do for it. Typically I take the wheels off of it when I do them, but I'm going to try Fonzie's method off of Dip Your Car, and we're going to try to leave the wheels on the car and bag them up. As you guys can see here, I've got the garbage bags and stuff to wrap around the rotors and cover everything up. And then as far as our colors go, we have black as our base coat, and then we have the anthracite that's going to be going on top of that. So I think that's going to turn out awesome. It's going to look sick when this is all done. Anthracite's a really cool color. I sprayed it a couple of times. I really like it. Just never attempted this method, so hopefully it turns out good, and I'll just bring you guys along. Alright, so the first thing I gotta do is clean the wheels, and the stuff I have for this is I have the Dip Your Car pre-dip spray that we're going to be using. Typically I just use some basic wax and grease remover, but I have this, so I figured might as well use it. And I have this little spudger tool, I think they call it, which is really nice because you can get inside like where the lug nuts and stuff go. That way you can make sure the dip adheres. And then we just have our microfiber here. So let's go ahead, get these wheels all cleaned up, and then we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so now we got the wheels all cleaned up. I got my garbage bag here. I'm just going to go ahead and slice it down the side here. That way we can tuck it in between the wheels. So now you guys can see here, we got all the brakes and all the suspension components bagged up with the garbage bags. I ended up sticking a piece of tape down there just to put the two ends of the garbage bag together. That way it doesn't like blow open and cause any like overspray or get anything on the brakes themselves. So I'll go ahead, give you guys one quick walk around of the entire car before we go ahead and spray it. Alright, so before we get ready to spray, we're going to go ahead, get our black base ready. I went ahead, just for a quick trick for you guys, I let these soak in some warm water for a little while, just so you get the better atomization coming out of these nozzles here. It's a pretty easy, quick trick to do. So we'll go ahead and throw down our coats of black, and then we'll do our top coats of anthracite, just get full coverage. And got to make sure to have a respirator, just because you're only breathing this stuff in. So you guys can see here, I got the black base down. I end up moving the car back just a little bit, as you guys can see there, just to make sure I hit every angle on the wheel. Don't want any missed spots, but I'll give you guys a quick walk around here. So now I gave you guys a quick opportunity just to see what this car would look like with black wheels. I really like the way it looks, but we're gonna go anthracite next. So the car currently has 5 coats of black PDS down. So now we're gonna go ahead and throw on like 3 more coats of anthracite on top of it, just to make sure that it has full coverage and it has peelable if you ever decide to take it off. So I'll go ahead and set you guys up here, and then we'll go ahead and start spraying our next coats. All right, so there you guys have it. We got the wheels all done. I got all the overspray off, as you guys can see here. Got the bags out. I think it turned out awesome. I love the way the anthracite turned out. So I'll give you guys a walk around here in just a second. We'll take it outside. But otherwise, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.